Hi, and welcome back. In the first part of this video, we unboxed the Smart-1 7000 Ultra and reviewed its hardware features, as well as how they work to support and enhance the software capabilities, transforming it into an invaluable tool in the hands of security admins and analysts. Now, let's go ahead with the onboarding of the appliance we unboxed. You will need your computer and the USB to Type-C cable that's provided with the appliance. Connect them both and make sure that you have the correct driver installed. If you don't have it, look for the 7000 driver in support.checkpoint.com and install it. If you have already started the process, a reminder to install the driver and a link to the Checkpoint software download location will be available during the initialization process. Also, connect your computer to the appliance via the management port by using an RJ45 cable. Make sure your computer is in the same network of 192.168.1.0/24, so give it any IP address except for .1.1. Now you're ready to start. Chrome browser is preferable, but any browser would do. Open yours and type https://192.168.1.1. Click on Advanced and choose to proceed to this URL. The default login credentials are admin for the username and password. Later, you will be asked to change it according to your company's policy. You will get the welcome screen to the first-time wizard. Click Next and decide which type of setup you would like to run. In this video, we will choose the first option, continue with R82 configuration, and click Next. The next window is for authentication details, so enter a new administrator password to change it from the default password. Do the same for the Gaia maintenance mode, then click Next. In the Management Connection section, you will be asked to configure the management interface and click Next. Internet connection is for choosing the interface for this connection. So we need to choose the relevant one, then configure the IPv4 of this interface, the subnet mask, and click Next. In the device information window, you can change to the hostname you want and enter the domain name, primary, secondary, and third DNS server. The proxy server is optional and can be configured after the first-time wizard configuration. Click Next to proceed to the Date and Time Settings section. In the Date and Time Settings section, we configure the time manually or by using an NTP server and click Next. The Products option is for choosing a management server in a cluster mode of high availability and if it is primary or secondary, or whether it's a multi-domain server in high availability and whether it is primary or secondary. Or the last option, a server dedicated to Smart Event, Log Server or multi-domain log server. When done, click Next. The next section is Security Management Administration, where we can decide if we want to use the Gaia administrator, admin, or create a new administrator with its name and password to access the machine as well, and manage it like the admin user and click Next. Security Management GUI Clients is where we decide which IP address will be able to access this device. On screen now, we are choosing the Any IP Address option, but in general, it is recommended to choose a specific entity that can access the management server. Click Next. To finish the device installation, click on Finish and wait a few minutes until the process is done. When the process is complete, you will get a small pop-up window that says Configuration completed successfully. Now you are able to access the web UI. In case you have changed the IP address of the default gateway, remember to use the new IP address in the URL address line to access the web UI. For any questions, feel free to contact us on the Checkmates community portal and follow our new releases on TechPoint Central, our YouTube channel.